Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to give you as quick as I can an introduction, a beginner's introduction to NordVPN, a virtual private network where I'm presuming you're here because you're looking for a VPN, because you either want to hide your activity from your internet provider so they can't see what websites you're going to, you want to connect to another country's media streaming service so you can watch things that maybe aren't available in your country or aren't available yet. You might want to go on holiday or vacation and log in to your home country and watch streaming services while you are on your holidays. Or you might want a game or something like that. Whatever your reason, if you want to, pause me now and tell me why you're watching it. And if I don't cover it in this video, I will reply to your comments. And if it needs a video explanation of how to do that thing that you're asking, I can create a full video showing you how to do it. So pause me and tell me why you're here and what you're hoping to learn, and then we'll get into it. So let's go and look at pricing first. Obviously, it's Cyber Monday, Black Friday's just gone, so this may be a bit cheaper, but I don't think it is. I think I pay about £10, so plus the VAT on it. Obviously, the longer you pay, the longer you sign up for, the cheaper the app comes. So if you sign up for 2 years, £2.44, or what the American equivalent to that is, £3.40 I think it was, or $3.40. For a 1 year plan, or I've clicked on it again, it's £3.64, obviously sign up for a year, and month on month it is £8.84. So when you sign up, this is what I pay, so I don't think that's that much of a, maybe that 2 year plan was the cheapest and on a deal. So you're looking at, if you sign up month on month, it's £10.61, so it's £8.84 plus VAT. Depending on where you're watching, it would be dependent on your local taxes. So £10.61, I would recommend sign up for a month. If you use it, if you find it valuable, then sign up for the year deals or the 2 year deals. But obviously, if you're already agreeing that you want it, then the 2 year plan's the cheapest one to go for. Okay, so I've already got an account, so I've signed in, and when you log in and put your money in, it would walk you through how to install it. But if you don't, you just go to downloads on the side here, pick whatever device you're trying to load it on. It'll automatically detect the computer that you're on or your phone, and you just download the app. It will take you to the relevant app store, or it might just be a straight download. I'll tell you what, if you need to get rid of it, just make sure it's closed. And go preferences and quit NordVPN, and then go to here. Let's just move it to the bin. Right, let's delete it, and let's just go back. So I'll go back. I'm going to download the app. It's going to open the App Store if you're on a Mac. Obviously, the Windows store itself would open. I don't have a Windows computer, so I'm not sure what it's called now. Is it Windows Play or something like that? Or is it App Store on Windows? So I'm going to download it for the Mac. I'm going to open the app. You will get in the bottom a little piece of information. Now it's remembering my information. You obviously have got to log in. So it would say, to be fair, it makes it easier. I don't have to blur anything out. It would show that you are unprotected and you are in your own country. It doesn't say that, but if I go here, this is my current IP. I'll blur it out, but it says I'm in United Kingdom, Doncaster. So all I've got to do is select where I want to go. So if I want to hide my activity but stay within the UK, I can quickly connect to the UK server. Now when I refresh here, it's going to say your internet traffic is secure, and now you are in the United Kingdom in an unknown location, which has dropped me in the middle of London. So now I am secure, I'm protected, it says up here, and I can go off and do various things. Let's try opening Netflix, and here we go, number 9 in the UK today. So Netflix knows I'm in the UK and is relatively happy. Let me turn the sound off so we don't get copyright So number 10 in the UK. So now you want to connect because you want to watch Netflix somewhere abroad. Let's say we're going to America. Oh, not Canada. Not that there's anything wrong with Canada, but I'm going to go to America. All I've got to do, as you see, I just sort of jumped across. I moved the map across, clicked America. You can also, if you've done it recently, it will show. You can also type up here, United Kingdom, United States, jump in. If I refresh, what's my IP? It is probably just connecting. Let's see if it, there we go. So obviously it's got to reset as it finds a new location. It possibly could be upset with me for jumping around a little bit. As I've been testing it, I've been jumping all over the place. But if I reset my Netflix, is Netflix happy? Here we go. And it's hard to tell, isn't it, that this is the American site. I don't know what the official, the Americans won't say top 10 in America. They'll just say these are popular in America. I don't want to say something rude about Americans then, but if I go to Canada, when I refresh my Netflix, it say top 10 in Canada. Here we go, number 1 in Canada today. If I go back here, it's still refreshed, so I'm going to be in Canada. Here we are, we're in Toronto, Canada. If I want to go somewhere like Germany, type it in or drag it to the map. Connect to Germany. What I like is that you know that you're in Germany. Here we go, Frankfurt. If I refresh the Netflix, we are going to be number 6 in Germany. If you go to somewhere like YouTube, you're going to get German adverts. Anekdote. So it's really easy to use. There's obviously lots of different settings. If you find it's not fast enough because it's probably set for streaming, if you want to do gaming or you want to do something else, you need to tinker with the settings. That's a little bit above my pay grade. Reach out to NordVPN, look for better tutorials on the old YouTube or whatever you might be watching. And once you finish, you can disconnect, reconnect wherever you want, switch it off. What you'll see is the little icon at the top. It isn't filled in when you're not anywhere. But as soon as you click it, it goes white. I'm pretty sure it goes white. Is that? Yeah, it does. God, I was going to make myself look stupid there, wasn't I? So really easy to use, and now I'll show you how to uninstall it. So you want to take it off. What was happening before was when I was quitting down here, the icon at the top, you see the icon? It wasn't leaving. Are you sure you want to close? Yes. The icon sometimes stayed up, so if it's open, obviously you can't delete the app. So if the icon's gone, but the icon at the bottom's gone, but you've got this little mountain at the top, I'll show you. If you go to applications and move to bin, it's going to say it's open, right? So if you find you've got a problem, click on this, come down here and click on preferences, quit NordVPN. That'll close it off, and then you can just move it to the bin. So I'll ask you for your password that I've just typed in wrong. Yes, I know. That deletes it. Empty your bin. NordVPN is gone. And you can go back to your account. I'm not going to jump to it, but if you go to your account and manage your account, then there's a button that will just say cancel plan. And you can just cancel anytime. So it's really easy to use. Same for iPads, same for iPhones, Androids, things like that. It's just a case of putting the app on your phone. What I know you're going to ask me is, can I use it on a smart TV? NordVPN on a smart TV. Because I actually wondered, I've just bought a new TV and it's a smart TV. Could I get it on my TV? Can I use smart on your TV or console? The answer is yes. There's information. What you need to do is program your router. So the router itself connects to the VPN, and then everything that connects to the router is on the VPN. So that's a bit funkier. That's a longer video. That's going to be dependent on your router. You definitely need to talk to NordVPN support to make sure you get it right, so you don't want to mess up, so you don't have internet in your house. I'm sure it's relatively easy to do, but it is sort of next level. But the answer is yes, you can. You've just got to do where the internet comes into your house. You have to program it there. So I hope this was a quick introduction, beginner introduction to NordVPN. You will see at the bottom, pnuk.com, NordVPN. If you come to that and use my link, I will get paid a little bit of commission for being a NordVPN affiliate. If I get any discounts, and hopefully NordVPN watch this and give me some discounts, give me a discount code, I will post it on pnuk.com/NordVPN, and any other information I'll put there as well. If you've got any questions, fire away in the comments. I will try to answer the best I can. But as far as I've used it for various things, and I've never had a problem with it. It's been really easy to use, really easy to navigate around, and you see a lot of people recommending it. So I thought I'd give it a try, and there you go. Anything else you want to know? Any other things you want me to do videos on? Write them in the comments. Come to paulnicholson.com. That's where all my training is free. And maybe I'll do a certification course for NordVPN. So if you've watched this and you now understand NordVPN more, you get a little certificate to say that you've completed the beginner tutorial. Maybe that's where I'll put some more lessons so that everything's in one place. But again, in fact, if you just go to pnuk.com/NordVPN, I will put the link to the certification and the free trading and the sign up and hopefully some discount codes. Hope that helps. See you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Ciao.